Hi, this is Zen, the Crypto Queen, and I just wanted to share with you this one tweet by Ray Fuentes because I want to start to help you connect some of the dots in this world. And this is just one minor example, okay? But I thought it was a good, effective one because you never know who's behind the scenes on anything. I mean, do some research on Vanguard and BlackRock and see what they own. Pretty much everything. But let's keep it on a smaller scale today. Friendly reminder, Citibank partnered with Swiss-based Mataco, I don't know how to pronounce that, back in June of 2022 to employ Mataco's bank-grade digital asset custody platform called Harmonize. Fast forward to today, Mataco is owned by Ripple. Okay, so when you see things like this, everything's connected to everything else. Let's just do a quick search on BlackRock because, I want you to see how, you have to connect the dots at some point in your life, especially if you're dealing with money, investments. You got to follow the big money. So, not that this is related to XRP, but check out BlackRock News. And if you're not on Twitter, and I can understand it, I can't stand Twitter most of the time. There's a lot of junk on there, and you got to be careful who you follow, especially if you're part of the XRP community. Okay, Digital Asset Investor is a good one to follow. I don't post much on Twitter anymore because I find the platform generally very annoying because there is so much bullshit on it, and just people just trying to get engagement. And you know what? That's just weird to me. So, do some exploring on this. The World Economic Forum is a good one to check out. I'm not going to do it right now. Bearable Bull, he's on YouTube also. I find his voice highly annoying, and sometimes he's just all over the place, but sometimes he posts some really good stuff. Okay, so just showing you this on Twitter in case you're not on Twitter, but sometimes it has some good trending news, and that's why I check it every day. Okay, so I'm just cluing you in on that, but I wanted to show you this article, and I will link it in the description box below because, again, I don't give financial advice. I share what I do and where I look for information every day and what I'm looking for to connect the dots around the world. I mean, I like geopolitics. I'm not Democrat or Republican. I'm a registered U.S. independent, no party affiliation for that reason, because I follow the bigger picture and the bigger money, and so should you. It will be helpful for crypto, for stock trading, for everything else. If you're thinking in terms of what's the big money doing and where's it all going, that's how you figure out where you're going to be yourself and how to do that. I would go over here because this is intriguing too, the top gold-backed crypto coins, but I'm going to do a separate video about that because that's kind of interesting also. But let's check this out. Just the title of this article caught my eye. Ripple lawyer, XRP at current price of 49 cents is super cheap. This was May 30th, but it doesn't matter. What are we on? June. I think I'm on June 1st today. It's super cheap at 49 cents. Absolutely true. Investors expected to flood the market, triggering FOMO, fear of missing out, and driving the price to $10 at a $2 buy-in. I think that's going to happen fairly quickly. Like I said, I think that what's happening with the SEC will wrap by the end of third quarter, max. I could be wrong on that. I'm just, I'm just a person doing research on the regular, and I don't give financial advice, just sharing. So, yeah, let's see this. John Deaton is a major attorney on the XRP case with the SEC. So let's see, it sits at 48 cents. It's crazy to think about how many people who refuse to buy it now are going to buy it when it's over $1. So true. What's even crazier is that FOMO won't likely kick in until $2. So true, because people tend to wait and, listen, do your own research. and watch some of my other videos. It'll describe for you, you know, why I think this is so important to be holding some of this coin. You know, if you have any money to invest, and again, do your own research, but it might be wise to hold a small or large bag of XRP, okay? I will link this in the description box below, and let's see if there's anything else interesting on here. Let's check notifications. Oh, Digital Asset Investor has something to say today. What does he have to say? Nope, that's not him. Let's check XRP community real quick. I already put that in another video. Let's see, Estonian FBI. Well, you know what? Oh, here we go. This is, yeah. I think this is hilarious. But let's check out Jim Cramer.
Zero is because the government doesn't feel necessary, doesn't feel that it should be regulated. And we put them up. We could put up lots of it. We could have put up Enron. That was a very well traded stock. So, I mean, I question why we put these.
What's happening? I question Jim Cramer. Anyway, I'll end it right there, and I'll put a link for the description box for this interesting article right here so that you can read it in full, okay? I'm going to keep it short today, and love y'all, and I'll catch you on the next video. Ciao for now.